So is ExpressVPN really that safe and worth the asking price? Well, ExpressVPN is my favorite VPN mainly because it is an independently audited VPN, and it's one of the few VPNs that's backed up by real-life examples where ExpressVPN's no-logs policy was actually verified, such as back in 2017 when the Turkish government seized an ExpressVPN server, but were still unable to extract any personal information, and most recently, ExpressVPN even pulled their servers out of India as a response to a recent law that required VPNs to store personal data for up to 5 years, which is a violation of ExpressVPN's privacy policy. Not to mention that ExpressVPN is one of the only reliable VPNs for use in China. Besides that, all 3,000 plus servers fully support streaming and torrenting, and you have up to 94 countries to choose from. You've also got the necessary security features to keep you safe, such as the kill switch and split tunneling. ExpressVPN is compatible with almost every modern device, including streaming sticks and smart TVs, and it will allow for up to 5 simultaneous connections. And so for anyone looking for a top quality VPN across the board, this is definitely the one I'd recommend. I'll leave a discount code below if you guys would like to give it a go.